Hi guys, mathematicians. That's me. I hope I heard that. You guys, hello. Guess what? We're going to talk today real quick about when to ungroup, because we're going to soon be talking about 3-digit subtraction. I want to make sure we remember about when we need to ungroup a 10. So here's an example. I have 96 cupcakes. And my friend, Uncle Tommy, ate 53. How many cupcakes do I have left? So friends, when I am doing a subtraction problem, I'm always going to make sure that I don't make a picture of both numbers. I'm only going to make a picture of that total. That's the total, 96. So if I had to make a picture of 96, I would have how many tens? I hope I heard people say 9 tens. That's right. I would put up 9 tens. Here's my 9 tens. Let's make sure I have that. I'm going to count them because that's important to do that. 1, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's too many. And now I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then I'm going to put my 6 ones up. So I have 3 ones. 2 more makes 5. And now I have 6. Now I know that I have 96, and I'm going to take away 5 tens and 3 ones. First of all, can I get 3 ones out of here? You bet I can. There are 6. I can take 3 away. I'm left with 3. Here's my 9 tens. Can I take 5 away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. I took 50. 5 tens away. I'm left with 4 tens. 40. My answer is right, 43. So friends, right now, if you want to, you can take out your whiteboard that you have at home and you can try this one with me. Let's remember, we're deciding, when do I need to ungroup? On that problem, obviously, we did not need to ungroup. There were enough. Let's look at this one now. I have 83, and I'm going to be taking away 14. Friends, I hope you're deciding, do I need to ungroup a 10? Let's see. 8 tens, 3 ones. I could make a picture of that number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then my 3 ones. Can I get 4 out of that 3 ones? I can't. We know that if there is more on the floor, we have to ungroup next door. Remember that saying? If there is a greater amount on the floor, we need to ungroup next door. We've got to take one of these tens. We're not throwing it out. We're just going to ungroup it. Ungroup. That means we're going to take that 10 and we're going to ungroup it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took that 10 and I ungrouped it. Friends, I don't have just 3 ones. I have now 10 and 3. I have 13 ones. And I have 7 tens. That's important. I had to ungroup in this situation. Now I can solve it. 13, I can take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm left with 9. And if I had 7 tens and I just took one of them away, I'm left with 6 tens. So friends, let's look at this one. This one is again going to ask you, do I know if I need to ungroup? Friends, I'm looking at this problem and it's 126 and I'm taking away 78. I have 126 beads and I lost 78. How many do I have left? So friends, here we go. I could make a picture of this number. I can make a picture of 100, 10, 20, and my 6 ones. Now friends, here we go. Do I have enough? Let's see. I have 6. Can I get 8 out of there? I need to ungroup, don't I? Because there is a greater amount on the floor. I need to ungroup next door. Now friends, we've talked about this. That 100 doesn't just sit there by itself. It really does have 10 tens in it. So I actually have 12 tens. I have these 10 in my 100 plus these 2 tens. That would be 12 tens. If I ungrouped one of those tens, I, friends, would then have still my 100, but this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I ungrouped it. And so now I have a 100 with a 10. Now I have 16 in my ones place, because that 10 and that 6 makes a 16. Now 16, take away 8. We could do that. That's a double. I know. So I'm going to get rid of my 6, 7, 8. I am left with 8. You guys are good at this. And now I have this 100 and this 10. Sometimes people are like going, but wait a minute, Mrs. Seitz. I can't get 7 tens out of that 110. I know, friends. This 100 has 10 tens. Ungroup it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I now have 11 tens. 11 tens take away 7 tens. 11 take away 7. That's a 4. So 11 tens take away 7 tens is right. 4 tens. My answer is 48. This is knowing when to ungroup. Friends, last one. Let's look at this one. You can put this on your board. 143. Take away 81. Do I have enough, friends? Look at your picture. Do I need to ungroup? Maybe I don't have to ungroup in my ones. Maybe I'm ungrouping here because I don't have enough tens. So here we go, my friends. I can make a picture. I have a 100, 4 tens, and 3 ones. Here we go, my friends. 3, take away 1. Friends, I can get 1 out of there. There's 3 of them. I'm going to take 1 away. I'm left with, that's right, I'm left with a 2. But friends, here I am with 4 tens. Can I get 8 tens out of there? No, I can't. But I do know that I actually have 14 tens. Because this, yep, this has 10 tens in it. I can ungroup that 100 if I need to. And break free all those tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I really have 14 tens. 14 tens take away 8 tens. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm left with 60. I'm left with 60 and that 2. You guys, let's always think to ourselves, do I need to ungroup? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Remember to always look, do I have enough? Mathematicians, that's me. You guys have a great day.